welcome to the overnight action report for Asia. Let's take a look at what happened in the Asian marketplace overnight. The Japanese Nikkei settled just above its flat line. Toshiba plunged about 20.4% after it confirmed, as we reported last night in the overnight report here at MarketStream.live, that it confirmed plans to write down its purchase on some U.S.-based nuclear power plants. Index heavyweights like J-Front Retailing, Canon, Japan Tobacco, and Yokohama Rubber all lost between 1.6% and 5.1%. Now, November industrial production did come out overnight, and it was right around 1.5% month over month, which came into right in line of expectations of around 1.6%. But we did see that Japanese retail sales for November, they were at 1.7% year over year, which was right above the estimate and expectation of right around 1%. So the Japanese consumer is quite strong year over year. Taking a look at EWJ, the ETF that tracks Japanese stocks, went out last night at 49.45. The weekly options that are expiring in a couple of days are still pricing in a range of around 73 cents, either up or down, for the next 2 days. And for the next 24 days, a range of around $1.35, either up or down for EWJ. Critical levels that you're going to want to see if the bulls are going to get some action to the upside: $50.23 on EWJ, as well as $50, and $48.20 needs to be held if we're going to see the trend move to the upside. Taking a look at Hong Kong, and the Hang Seng added about 0.8%. A lot of help from financials and energy names. China Construction Bank, China Life, as well as Bank of China, all posted gains between 0.8% and 4.1%. We also did see that PetroChina gained nearly about 1.2% overnight. EWH, the ETF that tracks Hong Kong stocks, settled last night at $19.43. The monthly options that are expiring in 24 days are pricing in a range of around 70 cents, either up or down. 2033, 2090, and 2050 are all levels that need to be broken if the bulls are going to start to get some movement to the upside in China and specifically in Hong Kong. Now, taking a look at China's Shanghai Composite, it shed about 0.4% overnight. You're seeing some real estate names like Panda Financial Holdings, as well as Shanghai Diesel Engine and Shanghai High Tech, all losing between 3.1% and 3.8%. FXI, which tracks these large cap stocks and many more, is trading at $34. This ETF has a range right now for the remainder of this week of 50 cents, 55 cents, and for the month, over the next 24 days, $1.62 range, either up or down. Levels that are going to need to be broken if they're going to see some upside is going to be 36.33, 36.67, and 35.45 respectively. Now, finally, taking a look at India's Sensex, it just ended right below its unchanged level. Reliance Industry, Tata Steels, Hero MotoCorp, Tata Motors, all losing between 0.7 and 1.2%. You did see Coal India, as well as Dr. Reddy's Labs, all up between 0.6% and 2.1%. EPI is the ETF that tracks these stocks in India. It's trading at $19.84. The remainder of this week, the options are pricing in the potential for this underlying EPI to have a range of around 32 cents, either up or down, and a 23-day range of being up or down about 88 cents. Critical levels here for EPI that you're going to want to watch: 2020, 2062, and 2050. These need to be broken if we're going to see some bullish movement to the upside. So you can see there's challenges right now in Asia. It's been on a downtrend, but now consolidating. We're going to need a big push for the year end and going into 2017 if we're going to see the bulls start to take some action in these markets. All right, folks, that's it for the overnight action for Asia. I'll be back online in about 15 minutes at 8:45 Eastern Time. We're going to be checking out all the opening action in Europe. See you then.